As the world continues to reel under the stress of the coronavirus pandemic, the Maverick is going to administer a little flogging this evening. But I'm going to do it for the wider good. No question. Where are the people who a couple of weeks ago were saying we're overreacting and we are panicked too much and the little virus soon gone and blah, blah, blah? Well, then they know. All the people who were talking about champs should have keep and the Olympics should have keep and Tokyo is safer than Bull Bay and Ray and Tay. Where are they now? Who did enough for loud and plenty during the early stages of the crisis. How is so quiet now? But seriously, people must learn to be more responsible in situations like this. We must understand the simple wisdom in being safe rather than sorry, and to be more careful than careless, especially with a mysterious virus like this. As it is now, the careful, cautious people have been proven right, and the careless, unruly people have been proven wrong. So me a beat to this evening. Yes. Yeah man, who have sense? Who must have sense? Who must have sense? Act more responsible. Cover the mouth when you cough and sneeze. Yes. And practice social